Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you've been torn about marketing your business on the TikTok platform and you're asking yourself the global question of how does TikTok work for business? Well, this is the video for you. I've been a business coach since 2013, and in more recent times, I've become very enthusiastic about TikTok. Yes, for marketing and sales-based efforts related to the more mature entrepreneur, not just for super young influencers. Stick around to the end of this video because I've got a warning for you about why you can't afford to wait any longer about marketing your business, and yes, even getting sales thanks to your having a presence on the TikTok app. Hint, you're almost out of time, and you'll see why I defend this position and want you to jump in now and get easier traction while you still can. But wait, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Now, if you haven't watched my recent video, Why Use TikTok for Business, you should check that video out after watching this one because it's a great primer and companion video for this one you're watching right now. So if you've missed that more recent video, go back and check it out. For now, let's specifically address how does TikTok work for business. Let me explain. TikTok is a near perfect sales funnel. Honestly, it is. Any good marketing and sales funnel has 4 levels to it: awareness, interest, decision, and action. Now, taking this piece by piece, the awareness level is at the top of the funnel. It's the biggest portion of the entire funnel, and it's always the easiest to get people to enter into the top of your funnel as long as you're engaging in organic content marketing, let's say, that is piece by piece of content well optimized for that content to be discovered in search by your ideal customer. TikTok is a place where you can easily get traction now in terms of being found in search, and if your content is well optimized with great keywords in the caption and relevant hashtags as well in that caption space or slot, you'll still have a chance to be competitive, to be pulled up in search by a TikTok user, and most adult TikTok users are on that app a minimum of 45 minutes a day. There's still not enough content creators to satisfy the desires of all the various TikTok users from all the different walks of life that they're from. At the end of this video, I'm going to drop another stat that might just surprise you. So again, stay tuned. You need to hear this. Anyway, awareness is easy to get. Brand awareness is relatively easy to get on TikTok right now. The next level of the funnel is interest. If you're creating content that resonates with your niche, right, where you're sharing tips, tricks, techniques, and advice in your videos that have to do with the intersecting interests that would connect those ideal customers of yours with a business like yours and the offerings that it has, well, you can get people interested in your brand, your profile, your account, and they're likely to follow you at the very least. Then they might immediately, or at least soon after, start binging on all of your content. If your content impresses them, those TikTok users who are also in your niche or are your ideal customer might just decide to click on the link in your bio and opt into your email list. Yes, I do feel that the live clickable link that you can get in your bio should be leading to an email list and not just be shoveling them to your website where they can kind of look around and then leave. Capture that lead while you can by offering them, with the wording in your bio, some sort of freebie or coupon, whatever fits your business model best. Once you keep hitting them with great daily to near daily TikTok videos that keep adding value to their lives, and you email them on the regular about your offerings, and of course reminding them that new TikTok videos are up for them to see, you'll increase the know, like, and trust factor as between that ideal customer and your brand, so that eventually they'll take action and make a purchase from you. Being directly salesy on the TikTok app right now, I wouldn't do. Things may change down the road. This was the case with Instagram, as you might remember. Right now, I'd woo your audience with content, encourage them to sign up for your email list, and keep wooing them with emails and content, and you'll be very likely to get sales, sometimes with people reaching out to you behind the scenes on TikTok via the messages that they can send you. I really do have a healthy contingency of students where that happens for them all the time. I kid you not. This is how TikTok works for business right now. So come on in, the water's fine, but I do have a warning. Get on before it's too late. You really need to get on the platform and stake your claim there on TikTok and begin getting traction right now. And if you've gotten on the platform but you've not done much with it, then you have to get back in the saddle and work that platform on a consistent basis. And that means you're certainly posting a video a day on the daily or as close to it as you can manage. I know if you're a busy business owner already, that sounds like a lot, but don't forget, as of right now, TikTok videos can range in length from as little as 15 seconds to as much as 3 minutes. We're not talking about the video equivalent of War and Peace here, okay? If you had taken Instagram seriously when you first heard about it, could you imagine where you'd be today? TikTok has been around long enough that it's very clear it's not only not going anywhere, but it's now got more adults on the app than kids, because 52% of the app's users are millennials and older. Your tipping point has been reached. There's really no good reason to wait any longer. Every day that passes, it's going to be harder for you to get the traction you could be getting today. So please take this warning of mine very seriously and get out there on TikTok and begin driving people into the awareness level of your marketing and sales funnel. And yes, get them to travel down it too, to where they take action sooner or later and buy from you. Make sure you've subscribed to my channel and look up the playlists I have on it related to TikTok marketing and educate yourself further. You'll see that even as an older, more mature entrepreneur, you can still make TikTok work for you in a way that makes sense. You really can. I'm here to help. There you have it. This is my answer when it comes to answering the question of, how does TikTok work for business? Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.